In this video, we will find out the value of integral of sine of 2 times x upon cosine of x. Let I be equal to integration of sine of 2 times x upon cosine of x with respect to x. As we know, the trigonometric identity sine of 2 times x is equal to 2 times sine of x times cosine of x. The video explaining the proof of the identity is appearing in the upper right corner of this video. The URL of the video has also been mentioned in the description section. So, I is equal to integral of 2 times sine of x times cosine of x upon cosine of x. Cancelling out the common factor cosine of x, we get I is equal to integral of 2 times sine of x. We know the antiderivative of sine of x is minus cosine of x, so I is equal to minus 2 times cosine of x. Then added capital C, the arbitrary constant of indefinite integral. Do not forget to add this constant in the end of any indefinite integration. Thank you for being with me. I hope you like this video. Please click the like button and subscribe button. Do not forget to press the notification bell so that you get the notifications of my new videos. Share the video and do write in the comments. I am eager to listen to your thoughts. If you have any question related to the video, or if you think I should make a video on any other topics in which you are interested, please write in the comments. Thank you.